We come to the online contest winners award distribution ceremony. I would like to announce the results of first international online watercolor contest organized by Ms. Rabia Nawab, the Gallery Owner of Lahore. The jury members were Atanur Dogan, Turkish Canadian, and Mozam Ali from Pakistan and Antonio Bartolo, Portugal. I would invite Ms. Rabia Nawab and President of IWS Globe, Atanur Dogan, on the stage to distribute award among the winners. Please come on the stage. First International and National Young Artist Watercolor Painting Online Contest 2019 to 2020 Pakistan. Nawab Golden Easel Award. First category is Best Landscape Watercolor Painting. Should I announce? Nawab Golden Easel Award. First International and National Young Artist Watercolor Painting Online Contest 2019 to 2020 Pakistan. The first category is Best Landscape Watercolor Painting. The second category, Best Portrait Watercolor Painting, Farooq Aftab from Pakistan. Please come over the stage to receive your award. Farooq Aftab from Pakistan, Best Portrait Watercolor Painting. Give him a big hand. Congratulations. The second category, Special Young Artist Award. The first award goes to Abbas Khan from Pakistan. Please come over the stage to receive your award. Abbas Khan from Pakistan. Congratulations. The next award winner is Sadaf Yasir from Pakistan. Congratulations, and please come over the stage. Sadaf Yasir from Pakistan would receive her award for Special Young Artist Award.
First International and National Young Artist Watercolor Painting Online Contest 2019 to 2020 Pakistan. We have a Nawab Souvenir Award 2020. Juror Award. Jurors Award goes to Award goes to Mr. Atanur Dugan, President of IWS Globe Turkey, Canada. That's your award, sir. Juror Award, Mr. Mozam Ali, Pakistan. Mr. Mozam Ali. Art Material Sponsored Award. Art Material Sponsors Award, Mr. Mohammad Farooq Ilahi, Artlink. Mr. Mohammad Farooq Ilahi. Art Material Sponsors Award goes to you. Kindly come on the stage.
Now the category for Art Material Sponsored Award. I would request Mr. Mohammad Farooq Ilahi, Artlink, to come on the stage and receive his award. Mr. Mohammad Farooq Ilahi, Artlink.
Acknowledgement Award goes to Mrs. Fatma Ali. Mrs. Fatma Ali. Also Mrs. Aliba Sayyad. Helping hand, a beautiful lady, a wonderful human being. She looking beautiful tonight. Congratulations, Fatma. You're the best.
Very hard-working, lively personality, had a good, big contribution in every event of IWS Pakistan. Yeah, big applause for her. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, now the last category, Best Watercolor Event Organizer Award. The award goes to Dr. Bhai Khan Sher. Please come on the stage. Dr. Bhai Khan Sher, without his support, that event won't be possible. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now the last award, Best Watercolor Event Organizer Award, goes to our legend, one and only country leader of Pakistan, Sir Ali Abbas Sayyed. Congratulations, sir.
Mr. Atanu, kindly stay on the stage for the group photo. Only award winners, artists, please come on the stage for the group photo. Award winner, artist, kindly come on the stage. Okay, and volunteers, please come on the stage. Okay, पहले award winners आएंगे, उसके साथ हम group photo लेंगे और उसके बाद हम बाकी आर्टिस्ट आएंगे. तो जितने अवार्ड विनर आर्टिस्ट हैं, Kindly bring your awards. Don't bring your bags along with you on the stage. प्लीज अपने सिर्फ अवार्ड साथ लेकर आए, बैग्स ना लाइएगा ग्रुप फोटो के लिए। For the group photo. सब volunteers stage पर आ जाए group photo के लिए please. All the volunteers, silent workers, जिन्होंने background में इतना काम किया, इतनी help की है, please come on the stage.
Now I would invite the national and international artists on the stage for the group photo. Please come on the stage for the group photo. All the national and international artists, those work is displayed in the gallery.
वॉलंटियर्स काइंडली आप लोग स्टेज से उतर जाएं। इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल वाटर कलर आर्टिस्ट
Thank you so much. Bobby. सलमान कुमार
काशिफ बैक कर मेरा बड़ा बैक कर
किसके मोबाइल में
हाँ बिल्कुल गुजर साल 2018 जे फेबररी 2019 फेबररी हाँ वरी हाणे गुजर साल लाइव फिल्म ॾिसे त बफरिंग ज़री बि न एतिरी हर्षद वो तो mana हर पूछे वो असलम राना आया पूजी जो बदला था